So in this video we're going to run through the pages and sections of your website and how you add content and edit those pages. So if you go to website, click on pages and sections, you'll see the site tree listed on the left hand side. So this includes all the pages in your website. And you'll see that these pages in the site tree correspond to the items in the main navigation of your website. So you can see home, about us, services, and that corresponds to the top 3 pages in your site tree. So each one of the pages, if you click on it to edit, has got 5 tabs associated. The first one is content, where you would click to add content to a page. We'll talk more about that in another video. The settings tab, where you could go to edit all the settings for the page. You can have a good look through those. The layout, so you can choose various different layouts for a page. Navigation, so if you wanted to add a page to the footer or the header navigation. So I'll just add this page to the header so that you can see a link appears up here. So it's where we have the login and the cart. And then the properties tab for the page is something you don't really need to worry about. It's more for developers. Okay, so back to the site tree. One way to group pages together in the site tree is to add a section. So if you right click at the top of the site tree on the home section, you'll see there's an option to add a section. So we'll add test section, and you'll see it appear at the bottom of the site tree. We'll then add a page to this. We'll call the first page test 1. And we'll add another one called test 2. We'll just preview how this looks on the website then, and you'll see that we've got a nice little drop down menu there with the pages listed test 1 and test 2. So it's a great way to make more use of the space in your main navigation. So if we go back to the site tree, you saw when I right clicked on a page, there's several options there. So these allow you to change the status of a page. So you can decide to have a page published, which means that it's available to the general public. Or if you're not quite finished working on a page, you can choose to have it unpublished. You'll see that if I click on unpublished, the page goes red in the site tree. So you can see at a glance which pages are unpublished. And that means it's not available to the general public, and you won't be able to see it on the preview, even if you're logged in. If you put a page on hold, however, that means that it's not available to the public yet. You're still working on the content, but you can see it whenever you're logged into the website. You'll be able to preview the content there. One thing you might want to do whenever you add a new page to the site tree is also to reorder the site tree. So reorder the pages in the main navigation. To do this, if you right click on the home section, you'll see the option reorder. And you can use the little arrows that appear here to move a page or a section up and down. So you can see I'm moving the test section up, and I can move the cart page down using the arrows. So one click at a time. And that's how you reorder your site tree. That's pretty much a quick introduction to the pages and sections of your website. We'll do another video that will cover editing the content a little bit more. Thanks for watching.